What's up sub fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but now I'm back at it. We're going on a little road trip today, and we got some really exciting things planned out. So we're heading to GDMperformance to get a tune on this Ttid Ng9-5. So this will be quite exciting. This is my first Ttid engine that I'm going to tune, so I get pretty high expectations. Should be awesome. This car stock has 190 brake horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. So I hope we will see some good figures coming out from this dyno. We got 2.5 hours almost until we get there, and it's pretty early. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning right now. So we have a little drive to do.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Okay, so I have just got the stage 1 tune installed right now, and it feels a lot more responsive already. This time we didn't do the dyno tune, we just installed the software. And the earlier times I have been here, we have did the dyno tunes and did some dyno pulls, and after each pull the software sort of adapts and it gets quicker by each pull. So I'm sure we will get the full effect after a little while of driving. So as of right now, I'm just gonna do some quick pulls to see how it feels, and we will compare the before and after times when we did the pulls, so we will see the improvement. Done with the tuning, and it all went smooth. So the car is adapting still, and it's going a little bit better and better after each pull. So my decision is to drive it for a bit, then to take a new test and measure the speed or the time. So as of right now, it's just so much more responsive, and it's such a pleasure to drive the car now. And GDMperformance is such a good sport. Always super happy to meet Göran and to get the chance to tune the car. It just transformed the car. It was driving good before, but it's better now, so I'm super happy about it. So as of right now, the usual thing would be to go straight home. But today we have a little bit of time, and the weather is kind of okay, and I have never seen or been at the Koenigsegg factory, so we're driving to the Koenigsegg factory to see how it looks out there and see how close we actually can go to the factory. So just think it's 30-minute drive or something like that, so it will be quite exciting. So now I'm standing outside of the Koenigsegg factory, and you actually got pretty close. So behind me is the headquarters, the office, and outside here is the test track, also an airfield, and they got a private helicopter parked up right there. So when I arrived here, there was a Koenigsegg Regera passing by. So I missed that, which is a bummer, but I'm gonna stay here for a little while and hopefully I get to see another one or another Koenigsegg. What you can see here is you can go up to a window, which I will show you, and I'm going to show you the brand new Gemera. You're not allowed to go inside, but this is window shopping at its best. So unfortunately we did not capture any more Koenigseggs at the factory, but it was an awesome time there, and just being around all the cars and the people working there, and I met two car spotters that are dedicated to capture Koenigseggs outside the factory. So I talked a little bit to them how they usually drive around with the cars, and they told me that I was quite fortunate to see one Regera passing by when I came there, because some days there are none outside, and the most they had seen was like 7 in one day. So there is definitely movement around the factory, but today was maybe not the best day, but not the worst either. And one of them passed by one of these Koenigsegg's energy drinks, which is awesome. So thanks for that. I will link to his Instagram in the description box down below. And now we're heading home, so I will try to capture one more pass from 60 to 120 and see if we get a better time if the car has adapted fully, which it should have done by now. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed this day super much. It has been a lot of driving, so I'm a little bit tired right now, but it was awesome to be at GDMperformance, getting the upgrade and the tune. The car drives so much better right now, and you just get so much energy from seeing a 1500 horsepower hypercar in real life and hear it. So totally blown away by that, and it was amazing, even though it might not seen as much. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any questions, and I will see you. Bye.